Hey y'all, so y'all asked for a more detailed tutorial. I hope this is very detailed for y'all. So today, in my hair color, I bleached it and I am using the mahogany and ruby red Adore to attain this color. Right now, I'm combing my hair up to get the ponytail to sit as desired. The kind of wax stick I am using is the Luster's, as you see here, Re-Nutrients Slick Stick, which smells very good. So now I'm going to get my ponytail to where I would like for it to sit without using any spray. Just comb it up. You want to make sure that you have rubber bands nearby because you will be using several rubber bands. So now I have the ponytail to where I would like it to be. I am now going to place my rubber band in place. I usually use the organic hair for this style, but today I will be using the Remy Blue 14-inch. Here's my donut bun I got from my local hair store and some hairpins, which are the straight hairpins. So now, after sleeking my hair up with the Got To Be spray, I now go in and flat iron each piece with the curl so that the curl will formulate over the bun. As you see in the video, I am curling it with a flat iron. I'm now going to go through. After I curl my last piece, I go through and I comb all the curls out to get a feel of how I want my bun to be. Right here, I am placing the track on the rubber band upside down, and I'm now going to wrap it around the rubber band. This took some time, y'all, but I got it going. So this is a lot of strenuous work on your arms, but you'll get through it. Just don't think about it. Put you some music on and you'll be good to go. So now I'm going to get these tracks going. I'm going to speed it up just a little bit. Again, I am using a 14-inch human hair Remy Blue, and I did use the full pack. So you will need a full pack. It is important to hold the track base to the rubber band while you're wrapping because you will want the track hair to stay down to the base of the hair as much as possible. So you want to keep wrapping, but making sure that the tracks is at the bottom of the base of the ponytail of where the rubber band is. So here I'm going to glue my last little piece. Like I said before, I cut the track thinking that this would be enough hair, but no, I did have to go back in and add the full pack of hair. So that little piece of hair you see on my sink right there, I did go back and add that in. And you will see once you put the bun on, if you don't add the full pack, that it won't be full enough to cover the bun. So you want full coverage over your bun. In this video, I tried to answer a lot of my Instagram questions that I've been getting because I do like to respond back. So here I have another one that says, I love this, where did you get the bun piece from? So again, I got it from my local hair store. They have different sizes. They have large, medium, and small. The size that I am using is the large bun. And if you can't find any of these buns in your local hair store, I will and can ship them to you if you would like. So you would just have to message me and let me know if you can find it or if you can, and I would be more than happy to ship you the buns. So I place the donut bun close to the base of my ponytail. As you're placing it close to the base of your ponytail, you want to pull the human hair through the bun and make sure that you are holding and securing that hair. Do not let the hair go as you're pulling the bun down because you don't want to pull the tracks off the rubber band. So you want to use all your strength, pull that hair through, make it come around the bun so that you can feel the bun out like this. Make sure you have a razor on hand because you are going to go in and you're going to razor off some of the hair that's hanging because that would be too long to stick up under your bun. It will be very bulky if you don't go in and razor some of that human hair off. See, like so, razor it off. Good length. Gonna take my wax stick, wax my hair down, and I comb it down. So I'm gonna now go in and take my flat iron and I'm going to melt the wax to my hair to make sure that I don't have any crazy flyaways. So just take it, wax it, comb it, curl it, and you would do this all the way around your bun. Okay, and my last questions for this video is, how did you get the hair to hold under? So I would take my rat tail comb, tuck the hair under, tuck, and if it feels bulky, again, you want to go in and razor some of the hair off. I use my flat bobby pins, stick it through the base of the bun. So just make sure you're taking your time and you're doing this all the way around the bun for security. Thank you all for watching. This is the final look. I need you to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.